Hey YouTube, we're out here at the goat pasture tonight. Pretty warm, it's about 98 degrees and it's almost 8 o'clock at night, so pretty warm even for us here in north central Texas. Want to make you guys aware we will be selling our adult goat herd and all the kid goats with them. So that's 110 wet nannies and 130 kid goats. If you want to find out more about them, pricing and whatnot, you can go to our website, habiglivestock.com. You'll find my email or my mobile number there, and you can text me or email me, and we can get you guys more details and visit about it all. But as most of you know, we just posted a video prior to this about our yearling nannies for sale, and they still are for sale. Same thing on them. Go to the website, contact me, and we'll get you pricing and more information if that's something that you're really interested in. Some of you are probably wondering why everything's up for sale. Me and my wife Lauren, we've decided to take another opportunity that's going to cause us to move from our area here, and the goats aren't going to be able to fit where we're going, at least not in the beginning. We're not quitting small ruminants. The opportunity that we're taking is going to involve probably will involve a lot more sheep and probably a little different style management, but it's going to be a considerable larger scale. Down the road, we hope that maybe goats will fall back into the picture, and we can do some things with them as well. But for right now, the best option for us is to sell the herd and get free and clear of that to go take on this new opportunity. So we're not selling these animals because we're unhappy with what's going on here necessarily. We're simply doing this to move on to something that's even a little bit bigger than what we're doing right now. Those of you that have followed me for a while know that we've been grazing these goats in a somewhat regenerative manner for the last 5 years. And for us, what that means is grazing native pasture in north central Texas on a rotational basis of moving roughly once a week with this goat herd. There's roughly 250 head of goats is what we've maintained for the last several years. And doing all that behind 2 strands of polywire. So these goats are broke to polywire, and we'll respect that, or they have respected that for us. A lot of that has to do with management and keeping them full with plenty of feed and whatnot, but they are broke to hot wire. We don't deworm on a mass scale. We might do it on an individual basis time to time, but even that's been very little in the past. That wasn't really part of our program, and if we did worm some of those animals, they probably got called for not performing. So if you guys are out there looking for a herd to fit something of a program like what I just described, these goats are it. You know, they're a Boer Spanish cross genetic. We'll try to get some better pictures up close of the herd that we're running here. And you can kind of see it in the previous video about the yearling nannies as far as what type of genetics we have in this herd. This has been basically a closed herd for the last 3 years, I believe, 3 or 4 years. Basically everything came from 3 purchases, and the vast majority, 80% of the herd, came off of 1 ranch. So these are home raised type genetics that we've had on this place and this management for a long time now, and I think they'd fit somebody really good if they're looking to get started, or just to expand an existing herd being managed this way. So we're pretty excited about our opportunity. We're sad to leave the goats behind. It's been a lot of fun. It's been a great learning experience, and it was a tough decision to leave them. It really was, and we spent a lot of time thinking about it. So I think somebody else could have the same type of experience with them. So anyhow, like I said before, if you guys want to find out some more information, go to the website, contact me through email or via text on my mobile, and I'd be happy to visit with you about it. All right, everybody have a good night. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.